BFSIs can certainly benefit from the use of smart agents. Two very well-defined areas that would be fairly ripe to disruption or for disruption by these smart agents are specifically the areas of KYC or know your customer. So two areas that are fairly ripe for BFSIs to disrupt using smart agents are KYC, which is know your customer, which is required majorly by a lot of regulatory bodies that oversee the financial sector globally, as well as customer onboarding. There's a certain set of guidelines provided by the respective regulatory body, or in the case of onboarding, by the enterprise or the organization itself. And those guidelines can be used to train these smart agents to really determine what approach to them is going to yield the maximum amount of success, which is what kind of processes will lead to customers providing all the information that is required to complete KYC. And naturally, there is also really removing the dependency on a human to really deliver on these mechanical data acquisition processes, so that those individuals can be put for more value-added engagements between the customer and the organization. Even from an onboarding standpoint, the goal, especially when is around customer experience or customer success, we want to make sure that we humanize that journey, that we humanize that interaction. So onboarding using smart agents doesn't have to be boring. It can involve voice. It can involve photorealistic avatars in whatever appearance we feel is going to help lock the attention of the individual on the other side, and at the same time really provide the information and requisite information to complete the process. As far as the adoption of smart agents becoming a strategic investment for the organization goes, there's a tremendous opportunity over here. As I mentioned before, smart agents are not systems that are built in isolation. They are built on historical precedents. Historical precedents which shows clearly what has worked, what has not worked. Now, once that information is digested and continues to be digested, it can be viewed as an investment on part of that company or that organization, as not only having something that is using that overall collected data towards a specific objective, but also centralizing that into a conversational system against which other agents can be built around that.